Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to discuss about this another bounce that the price action of Bitcoin on the small time period chart is likely to take again. You can see on the small time period 4-hour chart, this is the downtrend line support and the price action has hit this support and moving to the upside on the small time period chart. And after a few hours, we have the closing of the current week, and it is more likely to be happening now that the price action will be closed below this EMA 21 weekly. And I want to discuss about the extreme oversold conditions of the oscillators as well. You can see historically oversold, especially the MACD is historically oversold. It has been never ever in this extreme oversold condition in the history of the Bitcoin that we have at this time. Now, first of all, I want to discuss this small time period chart. And here, if I place this regression tool, it will help us to draw a channel. And you can see after placing this regression tool, it has automatically formed a channel for us. It will take some time and it will show us the channel. Now you can see that this is the down channel on the 4-hour chart. By the way, if you're new to my channel and you did not subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do like my video as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, here I am sharing the daily different harmonic moves about the different cryptocurrencies on the daily basis. You will find here. Then I have also shared the link in the video's description to join me at the Patreon. You can find there. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss this move, and this is the small time period 4-hour chart. And here we can see that the price action has found this down channel. It has this is the resistance of this down channel, and here we have the support of this down channel. And I was expecting that after this rejection, the price action will move to this support approximately at $30,000, but it moved a little bit sideways and moved down, and we have seen that it has hit at $31,000, and from here it is likely to take another bounce, and if it will be reached at the resistance again, then we can expect a move up to $36,300. And for any kind of big move, or if we are expecting that the price action may move up to this level of EMA 21, there can be a miracle within few hours and the price action can move up. For that, first of all, we need to break out from this channel, and you can see that we are moving, the Bitcoin is moving in this down channel since after 8th of May, and so far the price line did not break out this resistance and moving very well between the resistance and the support of the channel, and at this time it is taking another bounce. So first of all, we need to have a breakout from this resistance, and maybe the price action after breaking out this resistance will retest this previous resistance of the down channel as a support, and then it will move to the upside. That will be a very, very good confirmation, and definitely that will also increase the confidence of the traders, the buyers. This retest, if this retest will be occurred, and then we can expect that more buyers will be entered in the market. However, I want to talk about again a very, very important move or behavior of the Bitcoin, that the Bitcoin has never gone against this behavior, and that is whenever during the bull run. In my previous video, in my yesterday's video, I discussed this move of the Bitcoin in detailed manner. I'm just going to repeat it again. This is very important because we are again at this support. And whenever the Bitcoin, if we watch on the long-term weekly chart, whenever the Bitcoin during the bull run has found any support, like for example, here we found a support, and we had a nice retest of the support, and then we had another rally. And whenever the price action of Bitcoin during the bull run has found any support, and after that it has started the next rally, the Bitcoin never ever has broken down that support. And in my previous video, I have shown you in detailed manner. I'm just going to again show you this move. For example, let me show you the 2017 bull run again, and here we can see. By the way, this is the EMA 21 weekly, and this is the 200 weekly simple moving average. And this is also very, very important simple moving average, because in the history of the Bitcoin, this 200 simple moving average is never broken down. We will also discuss about this move as well, this moving average as well. Okay, here we can see that during this bull run back in 2017, when we had the market shake-offs during the bull run, this was the first shake-off we can see, a major shake-off, and the price action found a support at $2,000. And then we had another market shake-off. That was a major shake-off. Then we found a support here at $3,000. And the price action never broke down these supports. You can see that the price action never came back to this support of $2,000. And after ending the bull run, the price action here retested this support at $3,000. And at the same time, the price action also retested this 200 simple moving average weekly and moved to the upside. And if we move back to the 2013 again, then we can see this is the bull run of 2013. And here we can see that the price action first, after starting this bull run, we had a major shake off here, and the price action found a support here approximately at $60. I'm just going to place this trend line here at $60. Now you can clearly see here the price action found the support at $60, and after getting bounced, the price action never came back to this $60 level again and moved to the upside. We had a very, very powerful bull run after that. That was ended in the 2017. Now this time we can see during this current bull run, the price action here had the major shake off, the first major shake off, and retested this support. The price line found a support here during this shake off, and that was a $30,000 level. And then the price action started another rally to the upside. So if the Bitcoin is going to repeat the history that Bitcoin every time does, then this should be a very, very strong support, and we should have a powerful bounce from the $30,000. Therefore, we are again and again observing when the price action is going to the $30,000 or very close to the $30,000 level, we are having, we are observing the buying. For example, if I switch to the 2-hour chart, then we can see that the price line today moved to the $31,000, and we again had the buying. And here, when previously we had a spike up to $30,000 on 19th of May, we had a very, very good, nice buying and rally up to $43,000. Therefore, so far, it is breaking at a very, very good support, and it is also very, very close to the golden pocket as well. Like if I place this Fibonacci tool here, then we can see that we have the golden pocket at $27,500. And we are very, very, very close to this golden pocket. So, and every time, whenever the bull run ends, for example, if we consider that this is the ending of the bull run and bear market is going to be started, always we have observed the blow off tops. Like for example, we had the blow off top here on the weekly time frame chart that can be also observed on the daily time frame chart as well. And if we move back to the 2013, this is the bull run of the 2013, we had a nice blow off top and the price action moved down. But before ending the bull run, we always had a nice bounce as well. For example, here, if I place this Fibonacci tool, the price action moved to the move down here first at the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. We had a nice bounce, and the next bounce we had from the golden pocket, that was at 61.8 retracement level, the Fibonacci retracement level. And if we take a look at the 2017, then we can see that after ending the bull run, if I place this Fibonacci tool on the complete price action, then we can see that we had a nice bounce first from this golden pocket, 0.618. And we also had another bounce between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and then the price action moved to the downside. So this time we can again expect another bounce as we are going towards the golden pocket. However, we did not have the blow off tops like we had previously. We had the nice accumulation distribution and the consolidation here, and then the price action is moving down. So this move is kind of similar to this move and the price action found the support at $3,000 here. So we can expect, unless this support is not broken down, of the $30,000 support is not broken down, we can expect that we are at this cycle, at this phase of the Bitcoin bull run. And if we will have a bounce from here, then we may have a very, very nice bounce and a nice bull rally. However, if this $30,000 support will be broken down, then we have the next support at $20,000, and Bitcoin never ever has broken down this 200 simple moving average support as well. That is moving to the upside. At this time it is at $12,500, and we can see that whenever the price action has hit this 200 simple moving average weekly, it has always taken nice bounce from this 200 simple moving average weekly. First bounce was here in 2015 after ending of this bull run of 2013. The price action took a nice bounce in 2015, and then we had another bounce here from the 200 simple moving average in December 2018, and the last bounce we had here in March 2020 when we had a drastic drop. And at the same time, while we are retesting this critical, very strong support of $30,000, we are also having the oscillators in extreme oversold zone. Especially this MACD. I have been talking about this situation of the MACD in my previous videos as well, that we have at this time the MACD in more than minus or negative 5,000 level, you can see. And this is the historical oversold condition of the MACD on the daily time frame chart. And we also have this oscillator, the RSI oscillator in the oversold zone. That will be helpful. That can be that can work as a support, and we can have a bounce from here. However, if this $30,000 support level will be broken down, then the real bear market can be started. I'm not expecting so far that the price action will break down this $30,000 support level, because in the history of the Bitcoin never does this. That after finding a nice support during the bull run, the price action of Bitcoin never broke down this support. However, if we will have closing today below this EMA 21 weekly, that will definitely trigger some bearish sentiments among the traders community. And if this $30,000 level will be broken down, especially on the weekly time frame chart, then there can be extreme bearish market started after that. However, at this time, you can see that we have a very, very good support so far. Whenever the price action is moving close to this $30,000, it is moving to the upside, or it is hitting this level, it is moving to the upside. Maybe we will have some long spike beyond $30,000 up to $28,000, maybe to $27,500. That is the golden pocket, and then we will have a reversal. So let's see what will happen in the future. However, this is my opinion, my research. You should do your own research as well. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and you can also share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.